To plot this point in a coordinate system, let's first look at the ordered pair. The first number of an ordered pair indicates the x-coordinate, and it tells us the horizontal position of the point. The second number indicates the y-coordinate, and it tells us the vertical position of the point. Now, let's plot the point -3, 4 in a coordinate system. The point has a x-coordinate of -3, and a y-coordinate of 4. Then, let's draw a vertical line passing through -3 on the x-axis, and a horizontal line passing through 4 on the y-axis. And the point -3, 4 is located at the intersection of these lines. Next, let's plot the point -3, 4. The point has a x-coordinate of -3, and a y-coordinate of -4. So, let's draw a vertical line passing through -3 on the x-axis, and a horizontal line passing through -4 on the y-axis. And the point -3, 4 is located at the intersection of these lines. Then, let's plot the point 2, -3. The point has a x-coordinate of 2, and a y-coordinate of -3. So, let's draw a vertical line passing through 2 on the x-axis, and a horizontal line passing through -3 on the y-axis. And the point 2, -3 is located at the intersection of these lines. Next, let's plot the point -2, 3. The point has a x-coordinate of -2, and a y-coordinate of 3. Then, let's draw a vertical line passing through -2 on the x-axis, and a horizontal line passing through 3 on the y-axis. And the point -2, 3 is located at the intersection of these lines. Lastly, let's plot the point 3, -5/2. The point has a x-coordinate of 3, and a y-coordinate of -5/2, or -2.5. So, let's draw a vertical line passing through 3 on the x-axis, and a horizontal line passing through -2.5 on the y-axis. And the point 3, -5/2 is located at the intersection of these lines.